Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing great. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. So in this video, I'm going to tell you spoken rules. That is how to use should. So by should, how can we make sentence? Should হচ্ছে হচ্ছে উচিত. So how can we make sentence like I should go? আমার যাওয়া উচিত. Should I go? আমার কি যাওয়া উচিত? You shouldn't go. তোমার যাওয়া উচিত না. So this way we have to make more and more sentences. So we can say like this, like I should do the work, I should meet my friend, I should see the sky, I should charge the phone, I shouldn't use the mobile phone, I shouldn't go there. So this is the way to become fluent, and this is the way to learn English. So first of all, you need to know that how to make sentence. So whenever you are capable to make sentence, it means that you will be good speaker day by day. This is the way, so try to make sentence should, must, can, like this thing. So and one more thing, you need to know at first how to ask another like question, like so whenever you can ask anything others, like your friend or your teachers or someone or myself. So at that time you will reply, and this way you will be like fluent day by day. That's why my I can say this is the like recommendation from my side, that if you want to be like English speaker, you need to make sentence every day. So whatever that is like come in your mind, just try to speak, try to say. This is like whenever you will say, you will like speak in front of camera or with mirror, or like in front of mirror or with myself. So you will see that you are like improving, you are enhancing day by day. So this is the captivating part. This is fascinating way you can learn. You can enhance your communication skill. So okay, so guys, I'm not teacher. I'm like you. I also follow that step. That's why I'm sharing to you. Like when I was beginning at the time, I don't know how to make sentence, even how to speak like this. So at the time, I just learned how to like make sentence from like YouTube video. I was YouTube videos, or I searched on Google. So there are a lot of like sorry, supportive site from there. You can learn so many things. Suppose like some of our think that I haven't good I can say good teacher. So at this moment, this is the wrong conception you have. So if you have this type of mentality, this is a cheap mentality, because still you have Google, still you have ChatGPT, still you have YouTube. So who are you afraid of learning English? If you really thirsty of learning English or anything, you can search this type of platform. Then you will get plenty of numerous numbers of like numerous information from the site. So I can say, try to speak, try to make sentence at least every day. Okay, that's all for now. I should end this video right now. Okay, so Allah Hafiz. See ya. I think you guys enjoyed the video. And as you can see, where I am here, the this is the place, and this place in my place, and I love to go somewhere. There we can't see anyone, like empty place. So I'm practicing in front of camera, but with me you can't see anyone, because I didn't hire anyone to like come with me, because I love to practice, and my tendency was that, like, anyhow I have to speak in front of camera. And so this way I will practice. So I will recommend you that, guys, like if you feel like shy in front of anyone, then you can go some like this type of calm and quiet place, where you can get the natural thing, natural body sleeping over there. And you can see the fulfill of nature. But no, like there's none human, like we can't find any human being. So at the time, whatever you say in front of camera or myself, so at the time there is none who will criticize you. So okay, that's all for now. See ya. Allah Hafiz. I think this video will help you to make sentence by should. Okay, Allah Hafiz.